Welcome to 3DSMax to Blender. My aim with this little series of tutorials as a 3DSMax user transitioning to Blender or trying to learn Blender was to create something that would enable 3DSMax users to easily learn Blender in a few tutorials. Personally, I found what was online a little bit convoluted and a little bit difficult. It took me a little bit of time. I don't claim to be an expert. I've been learning Blender for about a month. I've got 15 years of experience with 3D though. So in these tutorials, I want to cover things like viewport navigation, selection tools, transform tools, object creation, pivots and the coordinate system, component level pivots, the 3D cursor, align tools and unit settings, and some basic poly modeling. So by the end of this, as a Max user, you should be able to find your way around Blender and carry out the same tasks that you would carry out in Max within Blender. So in this series of tutorials, I'm just going to look at the basics and a little bit of modeling. As I said before, I'm not an expert in Blender. This is part of my learning journey. And I hope something of my discovery is useful to anybody watching this. Thank you for your time.